Holding back this port.
All right, Alfred, tell us what you have done so far.
My 6th order. I'm almost done. At least another 2 or 3 days. I'm building the port right now, the 45. I should put it in here so I can show them everything. You can show them everything. Everything double baffle.
Double baffle right here.
Nice and solid. I already made the bracing. This is my bracing right here. I'm gonna go right here in the middle. I also gotta cut more out for the roof from flexing.
We're like 70%, huh?
Yeah.
About. Oh, okay.
You gotta tag me with it. Wait, go again.
There. I'm going back here, but I gotta cut another one out. This is gonna go in the front. I'm gonna put 2 in the middle, but one's gonna go in the front.
And you're gonna secure it, or that should be good?
Huh?
You're gonna secure it, or that should be good?
No, I'm gonna screw it down.
Oh, you're gonna screw them down?
Yeah, I gotta screw it down.
What, the L shapes?
What else shapes?
Those L bracket things?
No, I'm gonna screw it like that with 2 screws.
Oh, okay.
So hold it, 2 screws on each side. I probably just put 2. That's the bracing.
I haven't made any videos because I've been out of town.
Wait, let me see that port. Give me that port. I'm gonna show him that port on the ground.
And that's what he's been making since the last video. I just haven't been able to record it. That bitch is heavy.
This is what I made. Let me show you. What's the backside?
Yeah, sorry for the late, guys. I just been out of town. I've been in Austin. I've been in Midland. I was all over Texas this whole week. We're installing those Walmart robots. I don't know if you guys know about them or not, but that's what I've been doing this whole week.
I still gotta cut that. I gotta cut all that first because it don't look great. That's all right. There's my 45.
That is just fucking solid, dude.
Yeah.
That's how it's gonna be.
Chunk it out.
Okay.
We on the roof. In the middle, feel like
Holy shit. Shit, you've been busy all week too?
Yeah, I know.
Shit. Double baffle on all sides.
Yeah.
That side, up here, right here. Here we got the carpet.
I set up the carpet in front, so I'm not done yet.
I'm gonna show you the back part that he did already. It's all carpeted out now. Nice and solid.
Yeah.
That's how it looks for now.
Yeah, let's see. I put the brace. I got a couple more of those in the back. I'm gonna put 4. One right here, 2 in the middle, and then 1 in the back. That'll be it. That's it for the bracing. I gotta screw that port. I'm not done with that port. I still gotta cut it.
All right, Alfred. Say hi and bye to your friends.
Right.
Everybody loves you, man.
Mm-hmm.
They're asking for more.
I want y'all to leave some comments in the bottom too on the YouTube thing, on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, tell us what you think about it.
Comments. I don't see no comments. They look at the views. I see views, but I don't see no comments.
Yeah, guys, tell us what you think about this box.
Yeah. Leave a comment down, please. I want somebody to leave a comment down.
Leave an honest comment too.
Yeah.
All right, Alfred.
Yeah.